Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Scooter. And in today's video, we got a special video. I talked about this in the last video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the paddle shifters on the one and only Camaro SS. So, if you don't know, this is 2014 Chevrolet Camaro SS. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and proceed to watch other videos. But I ain't finna do too much talking. We're gonna show y'all how to use the paddle shifters. I'm gonna give y'all I'm not gonna say quick, but I'm gonna give y'all a good little rundown on how to use the paddle shifters. And yeah. With that being said, you guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Let's get in. Let's go ahead and start her up. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know. I'm gonna give y'all a quick, easy rundown on paddle shifters. Mine aren't as big as everybody else's, but as you can see right here, so this is the negative. The left side is the negative, the right side is the positive. Basically, the left side is the downshift, the right side is the upshift. You're going to, if you want to shift down, you're going to hit this. You just click it one time, it'll go down a gear. If you want to hit this, if you want to upshift, you're gonna hit the right one up one time. So I'll show y'all as we driving. I usually tend to shift when I upshift between about 4 and 5. I guess that's the ideal, ideal area ideal area to upshift. So I'm just gonna show y'all as we go. But pretty much it's not that hard, it's not really just a crazy hard thing to do. It's just you gotta know how you shift it, because if you don't shift right, eventually you'll tear the vehicle up. But we're not trying to tear the vehicle up, so we're gonna do it the right way. And on top of that, if you don't know, I think they say if you use the paddle shifters, it's actually better. It's better on your brakes, because you're not using your brakes, you're just really barely using them like that. But I'm just gonna show y'all. So this is how you would do it, with automatic. You would just put it, with my car, you can put it in manual mode, or I think it automatically goes to manual whenever you hit the paddle shifter. But just give y'all a downshift real quick. We're coming up on a stoplight, you got a downshift, so just hit it one time, send 3, hit it again, light's green, so we're gonna go. And on top of that, as you can see, it pulls hard now. And if you know how to do it, you'll be able to make it burble. See, dude over here on the side is looking. Let me show y'all. Just hit it. See, and we already up to 70 something. Let me just go on downshift a little bit, because we're going pretty fast, but that's okay. It's not really that hard. You just, okay, let's say, I'm gonna give y'all this demonstration too, because if you're in somewhere like where I stay and you don't really want to shift too, you could shift early, but I don't really think that's a good idea. See, you hit it one time, it's gonna downshift, and we're coming up on a turn, so I'm gonna make this right turn right here. Get on this little stretch and show y'all. You see, so you just want to shift in between right at 4 or between 4 and 5. See, my car just automatically shifts. The thing about Camaros, I think they have like a safety feature or something that's gonna make you shift. It shifted on its own just then. I didn't even touch nothing, and it usually doesn't do that. So I mean, some cars come with that feature where it automatically shifts and some don't. I know I've seen on videos and stuff where some cars actually don't have that automatic shift feature. It's like when you put it in there. Okay, let me put it in manual and do it, because maybe that's why it's doing it. Let me see. Let's put it in manual. Okay, hold up. Okay, and as you can see, shift. It's pretty simple and straightforward, you know. This is actually my first car ever having paddle shifters, so you know, it's pretty fun to play around with. It's a fun little, you know, fun thing to have. And when it's in manual now, it's like it pull way harder. Like you can actually feel the car kind of like trying to, you know, snatch you. Like when I hit the gas. Okay, see, like right here, we coming up on one. See, and it's like it gets loud. See, and you just gonna ease up to the line, and right here you could kind of just hit the brakes a little bit, and that's what's gonna happen. You see, we're still in M1, which is manual 1. Now, like right here, that's what it'll be like. See? And also, I mean, like the sounds of the vehicle will kind of tell you, you know, if you ever play like a racing game, it's almost like that. I'm not gonna lie, it's almost similar to that. It's just about the same thing as that. You know, you play the game and you listen to how it sounds. When it gets, you can hear it in it. It's like it gets louder. You know, that's kind of like, okay, shift, because you don't want to red line. Now, I'm not gonna red line this video just because simple fact of, you know, I don't want to, you know, mess nothing up. They say red line, you know, it kind of mess your car up. So I'm not gonna do it. You know, but you come up on the stop, you just want to click it. Then, okay, you know, you're coming up on the turn. See, I can make this turn in second gear, but he's stopping, so you want to click it one more time just to slow you down some more and just let it roll. I mean, I'm letting the car roll right here, but as you can see, we're gonna get right here. It's a green light. You see? You can see it's pretty simple. It's not hard. I hope the way I'm explaining it is good enough for y'all, you know, to understand. I'm trying to explain it the best way I can. You know, it's so simple and straightforward that I can't really explain it no better than what I'm doing. But left downshift, right upshift. That's the basics. That's the first things you need to know. You don't know nothing else, that's what you need to know. And look at this truck, this trailer, want to pull out in front of me. And, you know, like I said, when it's in this mode, you can just feel it. Like, the whole car is jerking. If I just nudge the gas, I ain't even got to really hit it for real. At all. You know, so. I love this car though, man. Let me know down in the comments below, what would y'all choose, Waffle House or McDonald's? Me personally, I don't eat McDonald's like that for real. I'm lying, I do. But out of those two, you gotta think about it. You gotta pick McDonald's, because McDonald's comes with breakfast, lunch and dinner. You know, Waffle House comes with that too, but McDonald's is just, I don't know. You're a burger person like me. Look, he's looking. Now we're gonna snatch off right here. See? Then you got cars that'll come out. See, now like right there, I just shifted down to first gear in, and I was going like 40 something miles per hour. That's why it was so loud, you know. The higher, okay, this is what I can say. The RPMs, the higher in the RPMs you downshift, the louder your downshift is gonna be. I can say that. It's gonna be way louder. Like just then I was in like between 3 and 4, so like 3,500. So of course that downshift is gonna be pretty loud. You know, that was a very loud downshift. I need to use this, you know, a little bit more. Paddle shifters. I don't really use them as much as I should, but why is my blinker on? Okay, there you go. I don't really use them as much as I should, but that's okay. That's the whole purpose of owning the car and having a good time with it, you know. Those be the reasons. And with these paddle shifters, most of the time, like anytime, even if you're driving normal, you just want to pay attention to your surroundings, look ahead, you know, safety first. Make sure you check your mirrors at all times. No one's around you, you know. But with this car, it comes with a safety feature too, so you all good. As you can see. As you can see. I hope you guys' day is going pretty good. I know mine is pretty good right now, you know. I'm grinding. I'm getting these videos out. And yeah. I think that's gonna be the most brief way I can put it for y'all though. You know, I tried to explain it pretty well. And I think that's gonna be the best way I can explain it. There's nothing else to it really. I mean, it's paddle shifters. You know. There's nothing else I can say. You can shift in between 3 and 4. You know, but if you racing, I think like if you racing, you want to shift a little later, you know. If you racing, I think you want to shift in between like what is it, 5 and 6, so you can get the full pull out of the vehicle, you know. I'm gonna give y'all a quick one. I'm gonna let this van go a little bit. Let me see. That's how quick it'll get up. Just that quick. Just that quick, man. It don't take much. You know? It don't take much. But yeah, man, I hope this was, you know, a pretty good explanation, you know, on how to use them. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.